In this video, I'll show you how to search for words in Google Docs. If you need to quickly find a name, phrase, keyword, or repeated word inside a document, Google Docs makes that very easy. This is especially useful when you're working with a long file and don't want to scroll through page after page looking for one specific word. Google's official help says you can search within a file using the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. And you can also use Find and Replace from the Edit menu if you want more options. To get started on a computer, open your document in Google Docs and press Ctrl+F if you're using Windows, or Command+F if you're on a Mac. A small search box will appear, usually near the top right of the document. Type the word you want to find, and Google Docs will immediately highlight every match in the file. It will also show you which match you are currently viewing, so you can move through them one by one. You can also search, using the menu instead of the shortcut. Click Edit, then choose Find and Replace. In the Find box, type the word you want to search for. Then click Find to jump to the first match, and click Find again to move to the next one. Google's help page says you can also use Prev or Next style navigation to move backward or forward through the matches. Now, if you want more control, Find and Replace is the better option. It lets you do more than just search. For example, you can search for a word and replace it with a different one throughout the document. You can also turn on Match Case if you want Google Docs to treat uppercase and lowercase letters differently. That means a search for one version of a word will not automatically match every capitalized version unless you want it to. There is also a more advanced option for people who need very specific searches. Google Docs supports regular expressions in Find and Replace, which can help you search for patterns, exact word boundaries, numbers, or special text combinations. That is more advanced, but it can be very useful when a normal search is not enough. If you are using the Google Docs app on Android, the steps are a little different. Open the document, tap More, then tap Find and Replace. Type the word you want to find and tap Search. Google says you can then use the arrows to move through each result in the document. So, to search for words in Google Docs, use Ctrl+F or Command+F for a quick search, or go to Edit and Find and Replace if you want more options like replacing words or narrowing the search. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you're working in a long document. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.